Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Old Hope Road. It's a busy afternoon here in Kingston, Jamaica. A lot of cars are on the road. Passing by the Silver Slipper, what is it now? Plaza on our left. The time is now 1:26 in the afternoon, so you know persons are on the road going for lunch or coming from lunch as we pass by Hilo Crossroads on our left. Coming up to the Crossroads tax office. Passing by the tax office now. Gentleman here selling some Scotch bonnet pepper. Hope he will make a lot of sale. Eureka Road on our left just now. Passing by Azan Super Center. It's like a department store. Nuttall Medical Memorial Hospital on our right. Oxford Terrace on our left, coming up to Oxford Road. All right, let's go. Alright, to our left is Oxford Road, to our right, Tom Redcam Road, which leads to Little Theatre and Parish Library. Kensington Crescent on our left. Club on our right called Lucky 38. say club, but it's really a gentleman's club, if you know what I mean. So the cars are coming from Lady Musgrave right now. Lady Musgrave Avenue on our left. Still on Old Hope Road. Those seconds stay with me. This left turn will take us to a car wash, one of the more popular car wash here in Kingston, or in this area at least. Windsor Avenue on our left. This 8th spot you can get coconut water to buy from a vendor, especially in the mornings. Right now we're passing by Seymour Avenue on our left. Coming up to Fairway Avenue on our left, and the road on our right leads to Mountain View Avenue. The PNP headquarters, People National Party headquarters, is on our left. On our right is Mountain View Avenue and Seaview Avenue on our left. Straight ahead is the Office of the Police Commissioner, FLA, Firearm Licensing Authority on our left just now. Toyota car dealership also on our left. Beverly Hills on to our right. Passing by the office of the commissioner right now. And this road on our right is Monroe. Monroe Road on our right. Society for the Blind on our left. Also on our left is the Campion College coming up on our left right now. On our right is St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church and Prep School. Bright and sunny day here on Old Hope Road. I'm going by the Matilda's Corner police station. The Matilda's Corner police station on our left. And the Matilda's Corner Plaza also on our left. Straight ahead is what is it now? Barbican Road. On to our left, Hope Road. Of course, we're continuing on Old Hope Road, so we'll take this right at this stoplight and head towards Papine. Still continuing on Old Hope Road, passing by Lane Plaza on our left. There's also a Lane Plaza in Half Tree area. Here in Lingani, we're basically in Lingani right now. You have several banks, restaurants, north side, drive on our left. You can get jerk chicken or pan chicken in that plaza. Passing by Super Value Home Center on our left. Christmas time sees the plaza very busy as persons shop for Christmas tree and Christmas decorations and so on. Going by Ravina Road on our left. Jamaica College, high school for boys. Coming up to the entrance for Hope Pastures on our left. You want to see a video on Hope Pastures? Click the link in the top right hand corner. Alright, coming up to the entrance of Hope Zoo and Hope Botanical Gardens. My gosh. Unbelievable. What is he doing? Up on our left is the University of Technology, UTech. Passing by UTech right now on our left. Now we're in Papine. I want to show you Old Hope Road on the other side of Old Hope Road. So do continue to watch if you want to see that. I tell you, when driving in Jamaica, be prepared for anything. You have to be super patient at times. been a while since I've driven onto the UTech campus. Let's see what it's like. Yes, folks, this is the UTech campus here. It's very hot and sunny here in Kingston and St. Andrew. I believe we're actually in St. Andrew now, to be exact. This is the Technology Innovation Center. This, of course, is not a tour of the campus, just a quick look at it. We're on Jamaica Boulevard. Football field to our left. Relatively large campus. I think I want to turn back now. If you're a past student from the University of Technology, don't hesitate to say hello in the comment section. St. Lucia Avenue, they say it is called. Different Caribbean island or Caribbean countries lend their names to these avenues and streets. Here at UTEC and in New Kingston, Trinidad Terrace, Dominica Drive, and so on. As we go by St. Kitts Close on our left. Heading back out to Old Hope Road. This left turn take us to Mona. Also leads to the University of the West Indies. detouring off Old Hope Road for a second. Actually on Mona Road now. Coming up on our left is the US Embassy. We're back on Old Hope Road. Ligonade Plaza coming up on our left. As I mentioned before, many banks and restaurants are in this area, supermarket as well, and cambios. You have MoneyGram, Western Union. There's a Western Union across the road on Lane Plaza or in Lane Plaza. Tasty, juicy beef. Mothers, those are, you know, all Jamaican restaurants serving Jamaican food. Stuck in a bit of traffic. I'm gonna leave it here as we're basically at the end of Old Hope Road. Because straight ahead it's Hope Road actually. So I'm gonna leave it here for today. So thank you so much for spending some time with me. Hope you've enjoyed this look on Old Hope Road. So until next time, do take care.